I'd like to share with you what we do for calendar time. We got gifted this Learning Resources Pocket calendar, and we really enjoy using it. Before I got this given to me, we just used a regular calendar and just pointed. I had let the kids take turns pointing um, at the different numbers, and we did it that way, and the days of the week and stuff. But we have been enjoying this pocket calendar. Uh, it's not necessary to do calendar time, but it is an option, and I will use it to show you how we do calendar time. When we start out the day, we usually start with the doxology, the Pledge of Allegiance, and the Pledge to the Bible. And then we have a Ten Commandments song from Classical Conversations that we use. And then right after that, we go right into calendar time. And our calendar time starts with the month of the year song. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. It's July! And then I usually let the kids take turns putting stuff in the pockets. And we go to days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. God gave us 7 days, gave us 7 days, gave us 7 days in a week. 6 to work on, 1 to rest on. 7 days in a week. God gave us 7 days, gave us 7 days, gave us 7 days in a week. Today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. God gave us 7 days, gave us 7 days, gave us 7 days in a week. And then the kids take turns, whoopsies, putting the days in where they belong. And then the kids pick out the number that comes next. So this is just a great, easy way to teach numbers 1 to 31. If you do calendar every day, you're going to learn the numbers. The nice thing about this set of cards on this calendar is each card has a black and a red, each number. And so you can make patterns. So my kids decide what the pattern is going to be at the beginning of the month, and then they make a pattern. And so we already put the today's in, obviously. And when after we put the number in, we say today is Monday, July 20, 2020. And then if you have littler kids who are learning how to count, usually we would do something fun and the kids would take turns with a pointer and point to the numbers. And for each number, when you say the number, you could jump, or you could hop like a bunny, or you could pat your head, or pinch your nose, or silly things like that. So to teach counting skills, calendar is a great way to do that, especially for kids who are learning to count. Then we go on to our seasons of the year, and our song for that is God made all the seasons, stomp your feet. God made all the seasons, stomp your feet. Winter, spring, summer, fall, the Lord God made them all. God made all the seasons, stomp your feet. And when we're first introducing seasons, we talk about what happens in the seasons. And so if you don't have this pocket calendar and you don't have these seasons cards, if you just have a simple book that talks about seasons, you can look at the pictures and you can talk about what's happening in each of them. And we talk about how wintertime is cold and it snows. And then in the springtime, the rain comes down and the flowers spring up. That's an easy way to remember. Spring, the flowers spring up. And then in summer, it's hot, you go to the beach. And in fall, the leaves fall off the trees. So then you put your seasons card over here if you have the pocket calendar. We do not do weather currently. When I used to teach preschool, we always did weather. The song we used when I used to teach preschool was you'd pick 3 choices. So let's say sunny, cloudy, rainy. You pick 3 choices and then you sing this song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like outside? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy outside? Or you could use the word stormy. There's snowy, windy. Oh, here's rainy. Oops, I got them confused. And then cloudy. Or partly cloudy. This one is, yeah, a little trickier to sing, but you can. And then you can talk about, is it hot or is it cold? And then they have a place here where you can put that if you have the pocket calendar. But the other thing that this pocket calendar would come with is a bunch of holiday and special day cards. Like if there's a birthday or you have to go to the dentist, there's cards like that in there. And that is our calendar time.